Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable iOS call integration and Telegram on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your Telegram app. So I'm just going to find it right here. So open it up, then go to settings on the bottom right corner. Just tap on the gear icon to go to your settings. Then scroll down right here to privacy and security. Then scroll down again till you see calls section right there. So just tap on that. Then scroll down again, and at the very bottom you will see iOS call integration. You can either enable or disable it just by tapping on the switch button right there. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.